Hello guys, I will show you how to turn Instagram business account to private. First of all, open your Instagram app, then go to your profile, tap the three lines on the top right, then tap setting and privacy. Now you can see the business tools and controls option, then tap the business tools and tap the switch account type. Now you have two options, is switch to personal account and creator account, but I need to switch my personal account. Then I will select the personal account and tap again to confirm that. Now my account is switched to a personal account. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.